Aye, fair enough. So the growth marketing tactics is something that we started after the Next Tech workshops. We basically started working heavily on our website to basically get the basics right, so to increase our number of pages and so on. And then we started applying some of the growth marketing or growth hacking methodologies that we learned about at the workshops, meaning that we set up social media marketing campaigns, we started tracking the performance of these social media marketing campaigns, and we started improving or trying to tweak some elements of these campaigns to get the most return out of it. Return which for us is now actually positive, so we get much more traffic on the website that we used to have, and this traffic converts slowly but still converts into real clients for us.